Hey everybody, Abel here from TechNave. Today I'm going to do a brief hands-on video of the Sony Xperia XA2 Ultra. So as per tradition, Sony is back yet with another rectangular-ish device here. This is a very big phone. The display size is 6 inches long, and if you see the thickness of this device here, it's actually 9.5 millimeters, and this is, yes, and indeed a fat phone, but nothing bad about that. Some people do like this kind of phone. Also, if you notice, Sony has jumped in the selfie trend right now. As you can see, there are two cameras right here. One of it is the 16 megapixel, which I believe is this one, and this one should be the 8 megapixel sensor. So these two lenses here, they don't combine the image, rather it allows you to switch in between. This one's for standard, and here the secondary camera is for wide angle purpose. So you can take selfies with a group of friends without having to squeeze in. Another small change would be the power button, because the previous phone, the XA1 Plus, which is almost as big as this phone, the XA1 Plus has a fingerprint button right here, but on the Ultra, the fingerprint is behind here with a small circle just below the NFC and the main camera, which is a 23 megapixel sensor. And of course, you have the dedicated camera shutter right here, which allows you to press hold and go directly to the camera interface. So one feature that made it to the XA2 Ultra will be the super SloMo, which can be found at the video section right here, and you just tap the button on top of the recording button. It can only record 120 frames per second compared with the XZS, which can go up to 960. But compared with the XZS, I would prefer having the friendly user interface of the XA2 Ultra, because it's more easier to record now. All you need to do is just press record, and it will record everything the whole way until you finish it. So after you're done recording, it will bring up this super SloMo tool right here. It's asking you to highlight which part of the clip would you like to have the super SloMo effect to take part. So I really like this feature because it's a much better improvement compared with the XZS, because that time the XZS, it wants you to take precise shots of the super SloMo just by tapping this, instead of allowing you to record the whole way. So yeah, thumbs up for that for Sony. Last but not least, of course, we have to talk about the dual front selfie camera, which you can go to the selfie mode in the camera user interface. So when you enter it, you will see there are two icons here. One is the standard selfie, and the other one is the wide angle selfie. It can go up to 120 degrees, and it kind of gives you this fish eye lens effect, which is pretty cool, because that means that you don't need you and your friends to squeeze in together. You can just stay where you are and take a good selfie picture. Alright guys, so that was the hands-on on the Sony Xperia XA2 Ultra. It's now 1,999 ringgit in Malaysia. It's available now in Sony stores, so go get it if you're interested. TechNave would also like to wish you a happy Chinese New Year, have a safe journey back home, and see you guys next time.